In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and apply VAT in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to configure your VAT rates and make sure they're correctly applied to your invoices so your totals are accurate and compliant. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Use a modern browser and make sure you're logging in securely. Once you're in, head to the left navigation and open Taxes. Then choose Sales Tax Settings. This is where QuickBooks manages VAT for your region, and it's important to confirm you're working in the correct country profile so the system follows local rules. Next, set up your VAT rates according to your region. In the settings, create or confirm your VAT rates, such as standard, reduced, zero rated, or exempt, depending on what your business needs. Enter the exact percentage for each rate and give each one a clear, recognizable name so you can easily pick it later on invoices. If there's a default VAT rate you use most often, mark it as the default to save time. Double check the percentages and ensure they match official guidance. Even a small error can affect your totals and reports. Now, when you're creating an invoice, apply the appropriate VAT rate to each applicable line item. Open a new invoice or edit an existing one, add your products or services, and look for the tax column on each line. Use the drop-down to select the correct VAT rate for that specific item. Remember that some items might be zero rated or exempt, so choose carefully to stay compliant. If you're unsure, refer to your local VAT guidance or your accountant's advice. Before sending the invoice, review the total VAT amount calculated at the bottom. You'll see a breakdown with the subtotal, the VAT amount, and the grand total. Make sure the VAT aligns with your expectations based on the line items and their assigned rates. If something looks off, revisit the line items and confirm the selected rates. It's much easier to correct it here than after the invoice is sent. Finally, save and send the invoice including VAT. Click Save and Send to generate the invoice and email it to your customer. Take a moment to preview the PDF to ensure the VAT lines and totals display clearly. Once you're satisfied, send it, and QuickBooks will capture the VAT details for your reports. That's it. Your VAT is set up, applied correctly to